Hello, my name is Megan and I will be an exchange student in Aalborg, Denmark next year for 2019 to 2020. I decided that I'm going to make this as a way for my friends and family to kind of keep up with me and also just to help future exchange students. I know I watched a ton of other people's videos, especially if they were in Denmark, and it really helped me feel like I'm more prepared and just see what it's like and really make a decision on if I wanted to go, what country I wanted to go to and everything. So I found that super helpful. This is my first video. I'm gonna make it on packing, what I packed, how much I packed, just everything like that. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, my room is such a mess right now, but that is okay because you know what, I have to pack my life up into a suitcase and I'm gonna have to use it for the next year. So I'm gonna let my room get a little messy and just lay everything out that I need